Hi. Hi, in this video I want to talk about the secrets of the abyss. So when I talk about the abyss, I talk about hell, inferno, inferior regions of nature, patala, avicii, etc. So it seems that hell, or the lower regions of the earth or of nature, have been known to many religions, civilizations and cultures. And so it seems to be a common thing that there does exist like these inferior regions of nature. So what I want to put forward in this video is that yes, those inferior regions of nature do exist, and they have their characteristic or particular inhabitants, but also these inferior regions of nature, hell, inferno, etc., are actually states of mind or states of consciousness. Taking an esoteric point of view, the hell or the abyss is an order of creation, a certain unfoldment or level of creation. Esotericism says that creation unfolds just like the Russian dolls, like one level of creation is within another. So it's quite easy to see. Imagine a galaxy. That's one level of creation. Then we go inside the galaxy, we see a solar system, many solar systems. We go inside one particular solar system and then we find planets. We go inside the planet, and then we find human beings. If we go inside a human being, then we find what is called the inferior regions of nature. So we say that, so it is said in esotericism that the inferior regions of nature are always inside something. So we have them inside a planet, inside the earth in this case, and inside the human being. So we have our own inferior lower regions. And that's quite easy to know. Or quite easy to verify, quite easy to understand and see. Whenever we're very angry, lustful, lazy, greedy, proud, argumentative, we descend to a lower place within ourselves. Now we're very heavily charged with a negative quality, a negative value we could say, and so we have to descend. So if we do go to hell, then going there is for the psyche. It's not for the body, because the body dies and becomes dust. But the psyche, our soul, our psyche, doesn't disintegrate, doesn't become dust. It goes to where it gravitates to. If our psyche is very heavy, a lot of psychic elements, negative psychic elements like anger, lust, laziness, pride, greed, gluttony, obviously it's going to gravitate, it's going to fall down low. Just like if you have a piece of lead, throw it into water, it'll sink to the very bottom. If you throw a piece of cork into water, it'll float. And other things may float a little bit underneath the surface of the water, and other things may go slowly down to the bottom, but with the currents they can be moved. But usually a piece of lead, you throw it into the water, it sinks directly in a straight line to the bottom and just stays there, it doesn't move. So the same thing with our psyche, exactly the same thing. If our psyche, when we die, is very negatively charged, it's going to gravitate to the inferior regions of nature, obviously hell. So it depends a lot on what we do in this life. Hell is the result of what we do in life, and so obviously heaven is as well. So hell is a state of consciousness. We can live in hell within ourselves, but yet we live on this planet. You're depressed, you're angry all the time, you're upset, you're protesting within your mind, you're full of hatred. Well, we're living in hell. And then when we And then when we die, when we lose this body, our psyche is free to travel to where it will find its similar nature, and that will be in hell, of course, in the lower regions of nature. So this life is so precious. We create our future. We create our gravity towards those inferior regions, or we can create something different, our ability to levitate to the superior regions of nature. But if we're experiencing always the superior regions within ourselves, the higher states of consciousness, obviously when we die we will go up there as well. So they say, live by the sword, die by the sword. So the same thing with us. The way we live determines where we go and how we die. Okay, so I hope this video has been useful for you, just to explain a little bit about the abyss and about hell, and probably I'll do more posts on this subject later on. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye.